Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smina Meh Book Teacher. I'm again here with new video of spoken English sentences. Spoken English sentences. The first sentence is मुझे अचानक उसका नाम याद आ गया. His name came back to me. His name came back to me. मुझे अचानक उसका नेम याद आ गया या मुझे अचानक उसका नाम याद आ गया. His name came back to me. Okay. The next sentence is मैं पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहा हूँ. मैं पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहा हूँ. I am reminiscing about the past. I am reminiscing. I am reminiscing about the past. About the past. Okay. The sentence is in Urdu. मैं पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहा हूँ. I am reminiscing about the past. Okay. The next sentence is तुम मुझे उसकी याद दिलाते हो. तुम मुझे उसकी याद दिलाते हो. You remind of him. You remind of him. Okay. The next sentence is तुम हमेशा मेरी यादों में रहोगे. तुम हमेशा मेरी यादों में रहोगे. You will always be in my memory. You will always be in my memory. Okay. I'm repeating the sentences. मुझे उसका नाम अचानक याद आ गया. His name came back to me. मैं पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहा हूँ. I am reminiscing about the past. Okay. तुम मुझे उसकी याद दिलाते हो. You remind of him. तुम हमेशा मेरी यादों में रहोगे. You will always be in my memory. Okay. I am erasing the board. The next sentence is मुझे आपकी बहुत याद आती है. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. Okay. I miss you a lot. The next sentence is मुझे तो याद नहीं कि मैंने ऐसा कहा था. मुझे तो याद नहीं मैंने ऐसा कहा था. I don't recall saying this. I don't recall saying this. Okay. The next sentence is दूसरों की बुराई ना करो. दूसरों की बुराई ना करो. Don't talk ill of others. Don't talk ill of others. Okay. The next sentence is अपने बाल कटवा लो. अपने बाल कटवा लो. Get your hair cut. Get your hair cut. Okay. Next sentence. जुबान संभाल के. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Okay. I'm repeating the sentences. मुझे तुम बहुत याद आते हो. I miss you a lot. Okay? The next sentence is मुझे याद नहीं मैंने ऐसा कहा था. मुझे तो याद नहीं मैंने ऐसा कहा था. I don't recall saying this. Okay? दूसरों की बुराई मत करो. Don't talk ill of others. Okay? अपने बाल कटवा लो. Get your hair cut. Okay? जुबान संभाल के. Watch your mouth. That is today's class. Hope so you will like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will come tomorrow with a new video inshallah, and you will very happy to see the next video inshallah. Till then, goodbye.